Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix the Chrome browser is using a lot of the CPU or the memory on your task manager. So it will also cause your computer freezes or the lag issues. So I will show you the effective solution to fix this problem. So make sure you watch this entire video. So first open up your Chrome browser, click on the three dot option you are seeing, and then just simply scroll down. You will see the save tools option. Just go to it and click on the task manager. So now guys, this is basically the Google Chrome task manager, and here you will find all the tabs running here that will cause a lot of the CPU usage or the memory usage. Here you can see the memory footprint on the top. So basically this is the RAM are using. Here you can see this is the lot of RAM, which is the 577 400K. So you have to just simply select them all and simply click on the end process tree. If you have the unwanted or the useless extension you are downloading, then you have to simply remove it from your Chrome browser, and you have to also close these all the tabs you are seeing here, because these tabs are using a lot of the CPU or the RAM usage on your computer. So here, as you can see, I have closed the menu of tabs, and you will see the Chrome browser is using less CPU and the memory, and my problem is fixed. And if you have the unwanted or the useless Chrome extension are installed, then you have to also remove this extension from your Chrome browser. This will fix your problem definitely. And guys, this is how you can fix this problem. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video, because this is only motivation for me and I'll see you guys in the next video.